In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to use the Tire Mobility Kit. For this example, we will be using the Jeep Cherokee Latitude. Now, most tire mobility kits are located in the rear of the vehicles, either the rear of the SUV or the trunk of a car. The Tire Mobility Kit is a 12-volt pump that allows you to put air or sealant in the tire in an emergency situation. This particular model has both an air line and a sealant line separately, which keeps you from accidentally putting sealant in the tire when you only want it to put air. Most kits operate off of a 12-volt plug that can be plugged into your cigarette lighter or socket provided in your vehicle. When needed, all you have to do is unwrap the cord and plug it into the 12-volt outlet. Then you may want to check to make sure that you have a good connection. One suggestion I would like to make is only put air in the tire if it is a slow leak. This will allow them to repair the tire because they cannot patch it if there is fix-a-flat or sealant in the tire. Next, unwrap the hose, placing the hose on the valve stem of the affected tire. Most pumps have a pressure gauge allowing you to achieve the proper tire pressure. If you need to put sealant in the tire, turn it to the sealant mode and repeat the same steps. Well, that does it for the Tire Mobility Kit tutorial. You can see all tutorials grouped together at carsandlittlerock.com's video page. Thank you for your time, and I hope this information was helpful to you.